to everybody from the Philippines. Again, it is a Wednesday. Like I did a video yesterday on progress of roof repair and such. We only made it a little ways, didn't make much progress. We got rained out, but that's the way it is. It's the rainy season, so it rains every day. So you have to take those good days when we can get them and make a little progress, because I was hoping this would be done by, let's say, Saturday, giving myself around a little leeway in my estimation of things. But I'm waiting again. It's almost 6:52 a.m. Having some coffee, getting ready to see what the day has to offer as far as the repair work going around the house and up on the roof. See if we can make some progress, at least to finish up on that other side back there, because it's been 2 days and haven't made it very far. So we'll see how that goes. It's cloudy, cool outside. What's cool? What's the temperature? 27 degrees Celsius. So it ain't really freezing, but you feel like it sometimes when you get used to this heat. So I'm just waiting for the workers to show up. They'll go do their thing. I'll do some of my things around the house, inside and out, cleaning up inside the house too. I do, like I said in the other video, I try to hit a few little things all over the house every day. And once this work is over, I can concentrate more on things like I want to finish up our garden. But until all that stuff gets knocked down on the ceiling over there, there won't be a whole lot that I could do, except just wait. So, but looking up at the roof though, it looks a lot better, because it had all those broken pieces and big gaps, and it almost looks like the paint was oozing off because of, well, the water that we found was constantly staying up there. I probably hate to say this, I want to get the drone out, which I was supposed to charge it up last night and didn't, because I like to take a look at what's being cleaned up, because I see a lot of dirt and stuff, things that look like they may have built up there from dirt, and then maybe got rotten and molded and whatever that they scooped off of there because of water setting and pooling up there. So maybe it was a fish pond on top. Maybe I'll do that if I'm not too lazy enough to walk upstairs and charge up this drone and do a little video. Why not? So we'll check back in later and we'll see how far we get today. All right. Well, here's an update. Looks like we're going to be rained out. It is raining. So I'm standing underneath the canopy where it's dry right here. And the guy who's running everything, our supervisor boy, he came over earlier. I was working in the garden just to say, and it had started drizzling light, so I was like, well, it's probably gonna rain. And as soon as he came over and said that we're not coming today because what they're doing, they need dry weather up on the roof, that it's gonna rain, and as soon as he said that, it started raining. So, no progress today. So I can take care of other things inside the house today, I guess. Clean up a little bit, wash some clothes, and yeah. So we're rained out for the day. And of course I got my little trusty sidekick back here. No. So, yeah. Rain out for the day. So today will be inside working on the house. So thank you all for joining us and have a wonderful day. And from wet Philippines, it's the rainy season. So you expect it's gonna rain every day. So can't plan nothing. Except you can plan on it raining. So with that, bye, chill, take it easy. Well, here's another little add-in since I got rained out on continued roof repair and stuff. I decided to make myself a breakfast, you know, not waste this time. So made an omelet with some hash brown, coffee. Got my ever famous Tabasco sauce here. So I'm going to enjoy breakfast and then probably just do some work inside the house because it is still raining. So that's a little add in. So peace out. Y'all take care.